Good afternoon, everyone. We are Marvicks, a team of AI-driven people who are reimagining Ayurvedic treatment with technology and innovation. Our problem statement is Ayurveda Panchakarma patient management and therapy scheduling software, in which comes under the theme Medtech, Healthtech, and Biotech. Okay, so you might wonder why did we choose this particular topic? It is because as we see that there are other fields and areas like traffic or defense or even modern medicine, AI has already been integrated into those fields. But Ayurveda has not seen any kind of upliftment in that particular area. So as we see that Ayurveda is from our India, our Indian heritage and roots, it is our responsibility to give it that kind of upliftment. So our software Ayusutra, which is Panchakarma patient management and therapy scheduling software, you might wonder what is Panchakarma or what your software does. So Panchakarma is nothing else but a highly used process of purification and returning balance into our body. This is mainly done by 5 ways: through our nose, through our intestine, through our lower body and our stomach and your bloodstream as well. Hence the name Panchakarma. So even though Panchakarma is highly used and it is well known, it still has some inefficiencies, which are manual inefficiency. Now this Panchakarma is a big, huge, long process which needs a lot of data and records to be maintained, and scheduling as well. Well, why do you have to do that when our software does it for you? The next is inconsistent quality, which is as this treatment depends on particular practitioner to practitioner and then they forward it on to their students. This kind of leads to inconsistent treatment in center to center as well. And the next is the limited digital management system. It is that, as I told, this Panchakarma process is a long process. So patients tend to lose track of their own treatment at times and they need to be notified as well. So hence these things are there, but what makes our software unique and stand out is the AI-powered translation. Now, this translation translates the ancient Ayurvedic texts into modern protocols. By which I mean is that instead of taking 10 books and 10 publications, we'll just give you a step-by-step guide of doing the entire procedure. Isn't that easy? Next is the academic, dynamic and AI-driven customization, which is mostly like the first step of your healing process or any particular process is the initial process in which the patient tells you their symptoms, their conditions, right? This is Purva Karma, the first step of Panchakarma. In this, the condition and everything has been analyzed and then they decide what the particular therapy is going to be about. Our AI analyzes those particular symptoms and gives them their own customized therapy process. And the next is the adaptive care model, which is nothing else but a feedback system by which you will give your feedback as a patient at any particular stage of the process, and your entire therapy will be altered and customized according to it. So these all things by our software makes the entire Panchakarma not replacing it or not replacing the practitioners, but helping them in their process, giving them an aid to make it more effective, more relative, more reliable and customizable. Now for the technological approach, I would like to call upon that one.
Now, software methodology is converted into two parts. First is a foundational development, which includes API, front end and back end. Requirement gathering and architecture, which includes defined user personas like patient's name and patient's size, heartbeat size, and all these patients' personal information. Design database and APIs. We are designing database for the personal information storing of patients and practitioners and users. And then the backend is front end and cloud. Automated therapy scheduling system include calendar module for patient scheduling, appointment scheduling system. Patient booking interface. There is a patient booking interface for smoother booking of Panchakarma therapy. Pre and post notification procedure system use a rule-based notification system. There is a rules for the Panchakarma. If you are doing Panchakarma, you have to strictly follow rules of diet, lifestyle and all these things. Hence, rule-based notification system is there. Appointment reminders, we are providing reminders of appointments for patients and practitioners also. Diet and lifestyle reminders. I said already, there is a rules in the Panchakarma. You have to follow after therapy and before therapy, strictly follow. You have to follow the diet and lifestyle. AI-powered announcements. We are using AI. Why? Because there is, as Rupi said, there is no AI in Ayurveda till now. So we are using AI for procedure from granthas to converting the standard procedures. There is a granthas, they have written the different types of procedures for panchakarmas. There is no standard procedures. For example, our mom makes chapati, right? There is a different types. They are using different types of methods of making chapati. But there is a standard procedure on internet. There is a recipe book how to make chapati. Just like that, we are making standard procedure for panchakarma. And next, AI implementation in Purva Karma. There is main thing is in Panchakarma is Purva Karma. Purva Karma is giving that AI driven oil selection for Snehan, dosage and duration prediction. There is a different types of dosage given for the patients before the therapy to implement the toxic in their body. Customized therapy recommendations and real-time integrated feedback loop. AI analysis for patient feedback. We are using AI for patient feedback analysis. How is their lifestyle going after Panchakarma and before Panchakarma, and generate visualization graphs and intelligent treatment refinement. Next.
So for this project we are going to collect data. The data will be collected from ancient Ayurvedic scripts, like those scripts are in Sanskrit. So we will be collecting that data from Sanskrit grunts and other also practitioners' data, so that we can train our model in efficient way. So for that, practitioners are hesitating to adopt this new technology, because as we know, old persons cannot afford or don't have knowledge about this technology. So they are hesitating to do this method, but we will train these practitioners, also users, to get facility and aid in this usage of product. Then after that, we are going to conduct pilot programs, so that we can train the practitioners as well as the client. So for this, the main motive or the main content of our project is to design privacy, implement privacy by design. Means like every user has their own privacy, like their body privacy or their face privacy. Any medical privacy is also there. So this will be implemented with that.
So and benefits. First of all, they will be easy scheduling. It's like this smart calendar. That helps doctors as well as the clinics. They will be manage the online appointments. So no confusion about the double booking, etc. For patient, they will be give the automatic appointment their therapies. They will be get the guideline based on the therapy. Social agriculture, they will be connect the complex text from Ayurvedic content, and they will be turned into the simple step-by-step instruction to help and quality treatment for everyone.
So for this project or this Ayurvedic our project, we have done a research literature review. Apart from today's world, there is no project or no system which is developed on this project. So this project idea is patentable. So for that we have done literature review based on the similarities of this project. So like Sanskrit readings or how to read granthas using AI and NLP models. These all research literature review papers. Any questions?